Welcome to this product video for Bioclean cleaning liquids. For cleaning your Anilox rolls, you can use these 7 liquids. These products are meant for manual use. Dragon is a very safe product for water-based, solvent-based and UV inks with a neutral pH of 7. Multisolve is a manual cleaning liquid used for solvent-based and UV inks. Monster is a very strong liquid with a pH of 14 for water-based, solvent-based and UV inks. ALU Remover is used to remove aluminum out of the cells of the Anilox Rolls. Gel is a safe product exclusively used for water-based inks. Apply Acidic's 466 to remove calcium and spots from your Anilox Rolls. Acidic 650 is used for removing optical spots and tiger stripes. When using one of these cleaning liquids, always use it in combination with a special micro sponge like this one. Make sure that your sponge is not too wet, otherwise it will not function as it should. See the video of Bioclean Multisolve how to use these liquids. Also, go to our website to find more products available for rinsing the inside of your printing press and for use in a cleaning machine.